Why is my check engine light on?
What a good question.
That is a great question. We actually have that question very often. In the past, we've discussed the fact that most cars have anywhere from 30 to 50 computer modules on them.
At least.
One of the things that, in my opinion, is overlooked often as a maintenance item is oxygen sensors. So Jonathan has some oxygen sensors off of a Chevy truck that were defective and setting a check engine light code.
Correct.
Which I'm letting him show you what the old ones look like. And I actually have a new one here. I do suggest making sure when the oxygen sensor is replaced that you use the correct sensor for the vehicle. So this is a General Motors vehicle. We're using a General Motors part. So kind of give you an idea, this is what they look like new. They do have different connectors, so really important. Some manufacturers have anywhere from 2 to 4 oxygen sensors. You'll have an oxygen sensor on the front of the catalytic converter and at the rear of the catalytic converter.
Yep.
Some manufacturers, as in Toyotas, call it front and air fuel ratio sensor as opposed to an oxygen sensor.
Sure, it's a little bit different style, yeah, but yes.
So Jonathan, what does an oxygen sensor do?
Well, the front tube helps the runnability of the engine. It's going to adjust your fuel trims. And then your rear sensors are telling the vehicle if the catalytic converter is operating efficiently or not.
Got it. So the sensors take the information going through the exhaust and it gives that information to the computer.
Sure.
So that the computer can adjust if needed.
Correct. Yes. On the fly. Yes.
Okay. Now, if those oxygen sensors go bad, that can cause an issue with the catalytic converter, correct?
Yeah, it definitely can. You can start running rich or lean, which isn't good for the entire engine itself, not just the cat, you know.
So it'll either put too much fuel or not enough, trying to adjust.
It'll have a hard time determining what it's doing, yeah.
Gotcha. And obviously, an oxygen sensor is extremely less expensive than replacing a catalytic converter. So,
or a damaged engine, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Here at Wayside Garage, we suggest replacing your oxygen sensor about every 50,000 miles. It will actually help your vehicle run more efficiently because the computers are sensing the correct amount of air and fuel going through the exhaust.
Yeah, I think a lot of these manufacturers love the oxygen sensors themselves. They're only going to last about 50 to 100,000 miles. I mean, you can imagine the circumstance these things are in. It's rough. Yeah.
They get extremely hot and cold.
Yep.
And they're underneath the vehicle. So
and they pull air from outside the vehicle too.
Yes, in extreme temperatures.
Yeah.
So if you feel like it's time for you to get some maintenance done and you're wondering if your oxygen sensors are operating correctly or if it's just time to replace, then give us a call at Wayside Garage, 831-899-2425. Or you can always schedule online at www.waysidegarage.com. And if you're watching us on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Have a great day.